Today I created this supernatural glowy look, and I have been doing makeup for about 10 years now, and this is my absolute best makeup application ever. I got so many compliments on this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. So I'm starting out with my face already primed and my brows done. I'm going in with the MAC 24 Hour Wear Concealer in NC45, and I'm just adding that to my lids because I will not be using any eyeshadows today. I know, right? Shocking. So just adding that to my lids. So now that the concealer is all over my lids, I'm going to blend it out with a number 6 brush from the Glam Supply. And the reason why I'm using NC45 because that is the closest shade to my skin tone, and I want my lids to be very natural and close to my skin tone because my lids are a little bit darker than the rest of my face, so the concealer does help with preventing that darkness. So I went ahead and added my lashes off camera, and I'm just setting my eyelids with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now this is the trick to glowy skin. I'm using the OMG Glow Face Mist, and this is how it looks, and then when you shake it up, isn't that gorgeous? So I'm just going to spray that to my face just for a little bit of hydration, and I've already have my concealer on the back, my foundation on the back of my hand, and I mixed NARS Sheer Glow with Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just adding that to the bottom portion of my face. I'm not adding it under my eyes where I add concealer. So next is time for concealer, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm just adding that under my eyes, but I'm not going to contour. So you'll see what I'll do as a contour. I'm just blending out that concealer with a blending brush, and then I'll go back in with my foundation brush to blend the two together. And whatever product is left on my brush, I just use that to blend down the middle of my nose. And then I set my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Milk. Doesn't have the shade on the back, but it is in the shade Milk. Okay, so now we are almost ready to go. Our hair is done. Baby hair is laid. I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix setting powder in NC43, and I'm just going to add that under my eyes. And then for lip liner, I'm using the shade Bare from the crayon case, and I'm just going to line my lips with this because I'm going in with a very light lip shade today. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use this lipstick by Colored Rain. It is in the shade Socialite. Look at this packaging. It is extremely luxe. It kind of looks like the Pat McGrath lipsticks, and this is in the shade Socialite. So I'm just gonna add that to my lips, and anytime you have a lipstick that is very light, always go in with a brown lip liner and just massage your lips together. And then I go back in with my pencil just to redefine that liner, and then I blend it in with my finger. And to set my face, I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Coconut. And as my highlighter, I'm using the Juvia's Place highlighter in Nefertiti. And I'm just adding that to my cheeks, my Cupid's bow, and I'm also adding it to the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, as well as my forehead. And then I'm going to spray my face one more time with the OMG Glow Hydrating Face Mist. And then I'm going to go in with my NARS Climax Mascara on my bottom lash line. And that is my final look. And these are close-ups of my look. I hope that you subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. I appreciate you for watching.